So, welcome to the channel. This is a review of my handcrafted 16-inch IBM screen, which is what a high-definition widescreen VGA monitor would have looked like if IBM had made one back in the 80s for the IBM XT or AT computer. Despite the fact it looks like its sister monitors such as the IBM 51, 5153 and 5154, this is actually a completely standalone unit as well. And except of a computer monitor, it's also a television because it has a digital TV receiver inside which occupies the HDMI port internally, and it also works as a media player, playing movies and music through the USB that we're gonna see a little bit later. Let's do a sound test real quick. We're on the back side and you can see a speaker, more on this later. Here you can see a VGA input, an antenna input, a USB and a 3.5mm jack, a power switch and a power connector. Also this mysterious hideout for the remote control. As you can see, it's missing those 3 or 2 iconic knobs there depending on the model, because this whole thing is remote controlled and things need to evolve, or better say, I've had no idea what to do with having knobs there. Here's the IR receiver for the remote, and here's the green LED, which to be honest it's fake. It's being lit by a dual color LED from the backside. But I just wanted to keep the original. Give me a few seconds to find where we are. Oh yeah, there we go. Do you really believe that YouTubers don't use scripts? Do you? Sound is a huge concern for me. It has a dual speaker sound system and the main body of the monitor is highly audio engineered to be a box-in-a-box speaker. It has a full ranges 4-inch speaker that works down to the mid-bass into a 2.5-liter sealed cabinet, and also a generic full-range infinite baffle car speaker working as a subwoofer on the downside into the bigger volume of the body, which is around 25-liter semi-sealed. The only thing different is this weird cap on top, because I started making a grill but figured out that it needs 42 pieces of plywood, so it was too much work. I guess I've had too much time when I was building this IBM XT case replica back in 2013. The sensitivity of the sound system is 94 decibels at 1 watt at 1 meter at 1 kilohertz, and the maximum sound output is estimated to be 106 to 107 decibels at 4 watts per channel near a wall. The faceplate is made on balsa wood and also polyester material, and the main body is just an 8mm MDF box. 4 screws need to be removed to gain access on the inside, and the cover just slides off. This slides out to gain access on the front panel, but this also gets removed if you pull it out because it's attached with dowels. And the heart of the system was a Finlux television 16FL850. It's a little mess inside here, and don't worry about this. I know this is sketchy, but as a device it's double insulated, and yeah, I could manage the cabling wiring actually somewhat better. Anyways, Anyways, that's all. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe.